animal.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the real jungle. The jungle adventure. You know this kind of adventure you see on Universal, on what Disney. Those kind of adventure where people come down to come and look for the lost stone or gold or whatever. That is what we're having right here in Epe. Epe. I told you that Epe is a town of beautiful place. Hello, good day, my beautiful, my smart investor. So today I'm in Eredo. So we're going down to Sungbo Eredo. Yay! I told you I want to give you the best content in Efe. So we are going to hike down to the ancient city of Queen Sheba. And I know you're dying to see it. And I've checked online and everywhere, and I see that people have not done much videos on it. So I'm going to take you down to this. So just join me on this tour. You're going to love it. Watch this video to the end. Bye. Okay, this is clipboard. So we are entering the ancient city of Sungbo Eredo. So it's like an underground. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. So this is our tour guy, Mr. Dari.
The youth leader of Eredo. So this is the ancient wall. It's an ancient wall built by Queen Sheba, the Solomon's wives. So let's go inside. We'll talk more about it.
So can you tell us the story your forefathers told you about the Queen Sheba?
This is Eredo. I'm the one of the family of the community, which is our royal family. So this place belongs to this community belongs to our forefathers. His name is Awan. So about the Queen Sheba. Queen Sheba is an ancient warrior, and she's woman. She's tall, and she's Solomon's wife. She's from Ethiopia. She built this thing because of the war, because she's an ancient guardian. So another thing is they use this to travel during the olden days.
Wow.
So let's go for front.
Oh my god.
Let's go. That's all.
Come and see this. Capture this. You're capturing this. So we are going down underground. Please, can you help me?
Yeah.
Wow. So we have many branches here.
Yeah.
See one side here. So all these roads, they lead to different places, right?
Sorry. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is underground. No? We are going down, down, down. So I heard that the people, they built this thing with their bare hands.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they tall, they are giants. You know, during that time, people.
Wow, they're beautiful butterflies here. Wow.
So this is the wall.
Yeah.
Both the left side and right side. Look, if you take a good look at it, you see how it look like. So this is the wall.
It's beautiful. So where does this road lead to?
Yeah, this thing just ran.
Okay, around the town.
No, some side in Africa.
Wow.
Yes, from here to Benin. So it just ran in West Africa,
Wow.
but not all.
Okay.
And moreover, the history told us that that woman, she's an half of woman and half of us. So that is it. But she's warrior, and she has every weapon used to fight. Every weapon, during the ancient time, there is war, so you have different weapons to fight.
So you said they were ancient. That side that you showed us that time, that they are ancient forts, Abi?
It's Port O. This is Port O. Yeah.
Wow. So it's like this place, is it forbidden for people around, like your native people, to walk around?
I'm not understand.
Like this place now, like people living here, can they just access here? Or you people preserve it just for, like, you don't allow everybody to enter to access
Well,
it?
we just preserve it. So
okay.
we don't allow anybody to just enter to do what they like on it.
It's not.
That food, our forefathers used to use it as a medicine. They used to cook it for the pregnant woman.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay.
And moreover, this place was built more than 5,000 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah. Before Jesus Christ was born.
So is there anything like water around here, or everywhere is dry?
Well, we have some waters, but we cannot reach there today because that place is too far.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, there's water along the route. Wow.
There's water. We have two water self.
So how is it like? Is it like waterfall?
No, that water are coming from stone. Big stone. So if you get there, you see how it looks like. We used to call it miracle water.
Hey.
Yes, because whatever you said there will happen.
Are you serious?
We used to go and pray there. Even though most of churches, they are coming from Ibadan, from everywhere to come and
we can't go there today.
We can't go there today because that place is far.
So maybe the next time we come here.
Yes, I will show you everything. Just call me whenever you are coming. So I will.
So next time I'm going to take you to the miracle water.
Yeah.
So like, I hope this place, is it free from animals? Because some people, they are watching now, they want to know if I want to come, but are there any animals on the road?
No, we don't.
Like, have you encountered animal here?
No.
Wild animals?
No, we don't have any wild.
Ekpe is a town of beautiful place, beautiful things. Ekpe has wealth. Ekpe is amazing, and you can have all this. Okay, so I'm heading towards the first toll gate in the whole of Africa. So this is an ancient route used by people from Ijebu-Ode down to Ekpe. So as you can see, Ekpe has everything. It has history, it has culture. I've been taking you around this place to see that you're not just buying properties here, but you are investing in people's culture. You're having a piece of all these places. And this is the first tour. We are still heading down. Our tour guide told us that there is a miracle water. That would be a trip for another day because we came here very late. But I'm sure from this video you've seen some part of Ekpe, and I'm sure that when you buy properties here, when you invest here, these are the things you get to enjoy, things that you don't see. It said Sungbo Eredo is on a tentative list of UNESCO, so very soon this place will be a preserved site on UNESCO. And just imagine living close to this place. So we are still on our adventure, so just follow me as I walk on the first toll gate in Africa.
Yeah. What's going on?
Who's that? Okay. If you get to that place, tell us. Okay. Our tour guide just told us that there is a place that we're not supposed to video. That if we do that, our phone will spoil. So let's go. Have we gotten to there?
Yeah.
To that side, they say there's a place we are not supposed to video.
No.
Oh yeah, stop.
Do not use camera here.
Okay.
This is the market. So we are calling that market Itaibu.
Okay.
So this is the market place. So whenever you are coming, they used to come and sell it here.
So do we have guardian spirits in this place?
Yes. Make sure you switch off your phone again, please. This is Eredo.
Okay.
So the owner of this place, so that is where
he entered the ground, maybe?
Entered the ground, so buried.
Okay.
So
hello, welcome back. So this is the end of our trip. So I really enjoy exploring the Sungbo Eredo. So Sungbo Eredo is a ancient road network, and it's under the UNESCO tentative list. And this is in Ekpe, in Lagos State. Sometimes I wonder that this Ekpe and Ibeju-lekki, there's so many wonders here, and I'm here to explore and show you my clients, my subscribers, my fans, everything around you. I'm not just selling you real estate, but I'm taking you to all these places that you will love to invest in. You can come here to come and hike. You can come here to come and do many things here. You can have picnics here. So if you look down this road, that is where the founding father of this community, Eredo, sank into the ground. So it's a sacred place that women cannot go and visit, and you can't take pictures here. So there were other parts of this place that I could not take picture, like the toge where you put money. So I have a voice recording of that. It will be in the video. You hear the voice recording. So at this point, I have to sign out. I had a lovely day in Ekpe, and I can't wait to go home. So if you love my videos, make sure please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Yes, I know you will love all my videos, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. I'll see you at the next community tour. Bye.